Hi! In front of me is Honor X6 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads on this Honor. You need to begin by locating an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. Now tap on Allow in the pop-up if you never used Files before. Finally, you can click on Browse at the bottom right corner. Then scroll all the way down, tap on Downloads/Received Files, and tap on Download Manager. As you can see when I click, all my downloaded files are over here. If you want to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!